Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the latest offering from Insta360, the Go 3S. This tiny action camera promises some impressive upgrades over its predecessor, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Insta360 Go 3S maintains its predecessor's compact size, making it incredibly portable. The main camera is paired with an action pod, housing essential controls and a flip-up touchscreen. This setup not only keeps the camera small but also functional for various shooting scenarios. Now, let's talk about what this camera brings to the table. The Go 3S shoots in stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, a significant improvement over the Go 3. This upgrade ensures crisp, detailed footage suitable for both casual and vlogging use. One of the standout features here is the impressive image stabilization. Whether you're walking, cycling, or even engaged in more intense activities, the Go 3S's stabilization keeps footage smooth and steady. This is crucial for capturing action-packed moments without the need for bulky gimbals. In terms of photo performance, the Go 3S delivers 9-megapixel images with a wide field of view, perfect for selfies and group shots. When it comes to video, the 4K capabilities really shine, offering detailed and vibrant footage that's a joy to watch back. Moving on to the smartphone app, Insta360 has continued to impress. The app allows for seamless editing and sharing of content, leveraging the camera's capabilities fully. It's intuitive and offers plenty of creative options for enhancing your footage on the go. Battery life is another area where the Go 3S excels. With up to 120 minutes of recording time at 4K, it's more than capable of capturing extended adventures without constant recharging. So, should you consider the Insta360 Go 3S? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for a compact, high-performance action camera. While it may lack some advanced features like 4K, 60p or external microphone support, its portability, 4K video quality, and excellent stabilization make it a top contender in its category. That wraps up our review of the Insta360 Go 3S. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.